Do you need a portable workstation that can accurately cut all of your wood, plastics or metals? One that can be quickly moved around and set up easily both on-site or in the workshop? Well, look no further. I've got you covered right here. Hi, my name is DK and today I'd like to present to you the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm compound miter saw, the R185CMS-Li. This saw is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. It comes supplied with a premium Japanese carbide-tipped blade, which works in conjunction with the miter saw's high-torque motor and gearbox for long-life multi-material cutting. The great thing about this saw is that it's compatible with Evolution's entire battery range, which you can see here. We'll cover all the specs of the batteries later in the video. But back to the R185CMS-Li. It's a compound miter saw, which means it's ideal to perform both miter and bevel cuts on many different types of materials. It's also perfect for commercial or domestic use. It's accurate, with the ability to achieve precision cutting on your wood, metals, plastics or aluminium stock. It's reliable, for long life tool durability on the job site. It's powerful, with the torque to cut through even the toughest materials. Have you got some 50 by 50mm lengths of white oak, or even some 3mm mild steel square tube? Well, it's no problem for this saw. So now I'm going to give you a run through of the fantastic features of this cordless compound miter saw. If you're interested in the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless sliding miter saw on the range, the R185CMS-Li, then you can find the full specs and a lovely rundown video by yours truly on the Evolution Power Tools website. The previous generation of compound miter saw, the R210CMS, was a fantastic portable workstation, being both lightweight and sturdy in use. But the new generation has the added advantage of being cordless. No cables means that there are no working restrictions. You can move this saw around the site or even set it up outside quickly and easily. No need to worry about extension cables anymore or dealing with trip hazards around your workshop. A dust bag and dust port adapter are included for easy vacuum extraction. The dust port design has been vastly improved on this model, ensuring better extraction when working with wood for a cleaner and safer working environment. Simply attach your handy shop vac, like so, and you're ready to go. A design feature that I really like is the extra wide base, which ensures perfect stability. You can see on screen now the design of the older compound miter saw. This shows the difference in base width on this new model. The new design means that when using this machine on maximum capacity stock, which for this machine is 105 by 45mm at 90 degrees, you can be sure of a complete stability in use, ensuring both user safety and giving true accuracy of cut. A top clamp is included, enabling additional accuracy and adjustments when quickly securing your workpieces. This clamp can be fitted to the left or the right of the blade, depending on whether you need to perform a cross or a bevel cut. It fits on like this. The premium 185mm multi-material cutting blade supplied with the machine is great for long life cutting on hardwood, laminate, mild steel and even nail embedded wood with precision. As previously touched upon, this saw has a cross-cut capacity of 45 by 105mm at 90 degrees, making it ideal for your CSL timber, skirting boards, small posts or decking. This machine will miter to the left and to the right by 45 degrees. There are quick-click miter stops at all the common angles, both left and right. The miter capacity at 45 degrees is 45 by 75mm. It can bevel to the left from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and has a cutting capacity at 45 degrees of 105 by 38mm. This means smooth, square and reliable cutting every time. The horizontal handle design allows for comfortable use, whether you're a left or a right-handed user. It's been designed with a soft grip handle to add to user comfort, and also features a safety trigger, which must be engaged to activate the saw. It really is a great safety feature. With safety in mind, let me show you another feature of the saw. You might have spotted that when I lifted off the trigger, the saw almost immediately stopped. That's the electronic blade brake safety feature. There's also a soft start on the saw, which helps to prolong motor life. While mentioning the blade, I should direct your attention to the polycarbonate blade guard. This is a new design which gives full visibility of the cutting line when in operation. In addition to the multi-material cutting blade that's supplied with the machine, there are a range of material-specific blades compatible with the machine. There's this general-purpose wood blade, which gives you a great option and maximum performance when cutting a variety of woods, from plain timber and decking to small posts or skirting. This fine wood cutting blade features 40 tungsten carbide tipped teeth. It's designed to deliver the smoothest, fastest and sharpest cuts in hardwood when paired with this machine. The best saw blade for fine wood cutting has been made possible by optimizing the geometry of every tooth, adjusting tooth pitch, offset, taper and top profile, so that you get the smoothest cuts, the finest finish and the longest blade life. If you've ever needed a better cut for your wood, then this is the blade for you. Evolution Power Tools have designed this saw for use with the 2, 4, 5 or even the 8 amp lithium-ion batteries. Each battery will ensure that the saw will be operational with no compromise in power or accuracy. To insert the battery is really easy. Simply line it up like so, and it just clips on. The machine is now powered and ready to use. You'll notice an LED charge level indicator over here. This allows you to monitor your battery life during operation. All of the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology, which means that they actively manage temperature during operation. This means that the cells won't overheat. It gives more power during operation, a longer runtime, and it increases your battery life. To swap one out, or when you need to put one on charge, there's a quick release button here to detach from the saw. For charging, there's 2 options. Either this single dock unit or this double dock charge unit. Once plugged in, you slot in your battery like this. And you can monitor the charge status from the LED charge indicator here. These chargers are also wall mountable, which is a really handy feature. Now, coming back to the saw itself, there's mounting holes on the left and the right of the base, which you can see here, here and here. This gives the option to mount the saw to a bench or even to use it on a Mitre saw stand. The Evolution metal sawhorse with folding legs twin pack is a must-have piece of kit for every tradesman or DIYer. Whether on-site, in the van, the workshop, garage or garden shed, the Evolution sawhorses are compact, lightweight and durable, and will easily support your heavy-duty construction projects. This saw comes with a best-in-class 3-year warranty. So whether you're a contractor or a DIYer, you can be sure you have a highly versatile, reliable and accurate solution, whatever you might be cutting. So there you have it, the Evolution Power Tools R185CMS-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm compound miter saw and blade, with optional material-specific blades and accessories. A great tool for a variety of trade and DIY work. If you'd like to learn more about this tool or explore the full family of Evolution cordless tools, then please visit Evolution Power Tools UK website for more information. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.